believe the modern medicine's use of technology has been crucial in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. In April 2020, 2 million cases and more than 120,000 fatalities had been reported worldwide as a result of COVID-19, and companies and researchers from all over the world searched for solutions to this virus problems in order to slow the growth and find a cure for the disease as the crisis grew. Science and technology were extremely important. For instance, in China, they focused on artificial intelligence early on the outbreak when he started his response to the virus. They used technologies like facial recognition cameras to track infected patients with travel histories, robots to deliver food and medicines, drones to disinfect public spaces and patrol uh, and also broadcast audio messages to the general public, encouraging them to stay at home. To the second question on the discussion board, will computers ever be able to replace doctors? In this lifetime, I would say no, but they might replace in the hundreds of generations in the future. I'm saying this because the majority of doctors, in my opinion, are among the occupation that AI will find most difficult to truly replace. The human body is very complex, and people crave human contact with the doctor when there's something wrong with them. Additionally, this is from what I've seen on the internet. There was a severe physician shortage even before the pandemic. So it's probably, simpler to automate some type of doctors than others. For instance, I believe that a human AI collaboration now works best for medical imaging, and although AI is fast and advancing in the field, other types of diagnostics are definitely more difficult. But I believe AI can also perform this task well in the future. I'm also aware that there are applications that can serve as a substitute for doctors, but these are typically not as effective as real doctors and are most helpful in situations where they're not available. Maybe this still seems terrifying, but the truth is that we could possibly say the same thing about any other profession we might think about. But yeah, as I previously stated, I believe that replacing doctors with AI will be among the most you know difficult professions. Regarding to the third question in the discussion board, I believe it will be bad since robots don't show empathy. Empathy is one of the essential components of high quality healthcare. It enhances patient satisfaction and promotes healing. Unfortunately, empathy is impossible to achieve for an automated machine. Although AI can perform a variety of activities better than doctors, it cannot be a human being. Only a real life practitioner can help a patient through a difficult treatment procedure, hold their hand as they receive life altering diagnosis news, entertain a scared child during a blood draw, or show genuine concern for their patients. Robots may learn to imitate these behaviors, but the honesty or genuineness cannot be taught. Thank you so much.